Hello there, this is Deepak from dirhamtalk.com, and in today's short tutorial, you will learn how to buy Bitcoin in Dubai. Now, before I get into the main tutorial, I would like you to visit YouTube and learn about Bitcoin as to what is Bitcoin, what is the technology behind Bitcoin, what are the risks of investing in Bitcoin, and you will find a lot of useful videos on YouTube in this regard. Also, I'd like you to visit any search engine and search for Bitcoin, the latest news that is going on. What is Bitcoin? Go to bitcoin.org and learn about the technology. Visit the Wikipedia page and learn about what is behind Bitcoin, who is behind Bitcoin, who are the people behind Bitcoin, who are the developers, how does it work, what is a transaction, what is the transaction fees, who owns Bitcoin, and how are new Bitcoins created, what is the total supply of Bitcoin. For your information, there are only going to be 21 million Bitcoins uh, throughout the history of Bitcoin, and how do you store Bitcoins, and so many other details. I mean, there is a wealth of information here. Just a note that you should read it before you buy Bitcoin. Also, there are a couple of other sites I will suggest, like coinmarketcap.com, which lists all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. And go to Bitcoin and check what has been the historical price over the last 9 years. Uh, how has this meteoric rise been? And you will really appreciate this technology and how it has the potential to change the way we do business. Also, another site I would like you to visit is Livecoin Watch, which also lists a lot of cryptocurrencies, but it's almost real-time update. You can actually change the update time here, 2 seconds to 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 1 minute. So do some research before you actually buy Bitcoin and understand the risks behind it, the opportunities behind it, the threats to Bitcoin, and the so many other literature. And in order to buy Bitcoin in Dubai, uh, one of the very credible source is bitoasis.net. It is not the only site that you can buy Bitcoin on. There are other sites. However, I believe bitoasis.net is the most credible website or exchange, I would say, that you can buy Bitcoin on while in UAE. So once you try to log into bitoasis.net, you will get an email request confirmation that to let's say confirm your login. If you try to log in, it's a double authentication method just to prove that you are the right person. And once you're done that, you will again receive a request to enter an OTP, that is one-time password, on your mobile phone. So uh, keep your mobile phone by your side, and once you log in, this is the dashboard. Since I've been buying Bitcoin and selling Bitcoin, so you'll see a lot of transactions here. uh, Another important aspect is to add your bank account under BitOasis. So now this bank account is the only bank account that you can transfer your funds from your bank account to BitOasis account. Okay, you cannot use any other bank or any other bank under a different name. Like a name has to match the account name. So that is very important. You may have to submit your identification details like Emirates ID or passport or visa details to BitOasis in order to add all this. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to buy Bitcoin. Okay. Actually, through BitOasis, you are not actually really buying Bitcoin in the first step. The first step is to buy the voucher and use that voucher to buy Bitcoin. Okay. So for this tutorial, let me keep it simple. I'll try to buy 300 dirhams worth of Bitcoin. Okay. Um, and I will use for this tutorial the online money transfer way. And another very important aspect is to note down your reference number. You have to add this reference number at the time of transferring your funds from your bank account to BitOasis account. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let us click on next. So the next screen will show you the account details of BitOasis Technologies, okay, and their account details, which you would already add under your bank. Okay, so once you are here, you will have to go to money transfer and transfer money online. Okay, and in this screen, since I've already added BitOasis as a payee, it's already appearing here. Okay, I will select the account from where I'm going to transfer this money. Okay, select the currency, select the purpose of transfer. I always select as personal investment, and you remember we talked about the reference number, transfer reference, that is. So this is the place where we will add that. So let's say 41580. Okay, once you've done that, let's select the details of charges as ours. So BitOasis is not charged the transfer fee. Usually there is no transfer fee, but it is always good to select our charges. Okay, once you do that, click on transfer. At this point, the bank will ask you to confirm the details of transfer and make sure this is the very, very important stage for you to verify the bank account details and the reference number of BitOasis. If you do some goof up here, or if the amounts should match, beneficiary name should match, okay, beneficiary bank should match, branch, yes, IBAN, yes, okay, Swift, yes, I've added that already, and reference number. Okay, this is my reference number. Don't put this reference number under your account. Use your own reference number, which is given to you by BitOasis. Okay, and once you do that, you will confirm the transfer, and you are confirming here that I confirm sending transfer with 41580. Okay, once you confirm that, you will sorry, let me go back my deposits. So you will see this as a pending transfer. Okay, and with the amount, I believe within a day the amount should transfer to your account, and once you have that, it will be reflected in your account balance here, your voucher balance, and you will be using this account or this voucher balance to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so let's say less than a day, your money from your bank account should be transferred to BitOasis. Okay, and then you will visit this, and with my voucher balance, I am able to buy at this price of today around 0.010 Bitcoin. Okay, so if you're happy with the price, you've done this strategy that okay, I'm good to buy Bitcoin at this price, then you click on buy. For this tutorial, I'm not buying Bitcoin because I don't plan on using Bitcoin or buying more Bitcoin at this point in time. Once you do that, within 10 minutes, I believe your fresh Bitcoins will reflect in your Bitcoin balance. Okay, and so this is the easiest way to buy Bitcoin in Dubai. I hope this tutorial has helped you to buy Bitcoin, and I wish you all the very best in your Bitcoin investment. And I also encourage that you read more and more about Bitcoin and related materials on the internet to understand more. And if you've bought Bitcoin, do let me know. I'll be very happy that you've made a educated investment. And please subscribe to the channel to keep in touch with news related to money, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin. I wish you all the best again. Have a good day. See you soon.